Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to upload high quality video on Instagram. And now let's dive right in. Now to upload high quality video on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. And before we proceed to the settings of Instagram, you need to make sure that your video which you want to upload on Instagram is shot by a camera on high quality, or if it's shot by your phone, then make sure that your phone's camera setting are on the highest option or the highest quality possible. And with that being done on the camera side, on the Instagram app side, guys, let's proceed. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon on a small circle. Tap on that, and over here again on this profile at the top right corner of the screen, there's a tree lined icon. Tap on that tree lined icon, guys, and over here scroll down until you can find data usage and media quality under the category your apps and media. Tap on data usage and media quality, and at the bottom of the screen, guys, you can see there is the upload at the highest quality option available for us. Make sure that the toggle icon for that option at the right is turned on and turned to blue. And when it's turned on, guys, your video which you want to upload on Instagram will be uploaded at high quality. And with that being said, guys, this is how to upload high quality video on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.